Okay, it's me, your Colleen. I'm standing on the back stoop, looking at the property that was full of debris from the hurricane and stumps and nastiness. And as you may hear in the background, work is happening. There's my beehive right there. There will soon be more right there. Debris pile finally getting resolved. You may notice a little building missing, and there was a little over there, back behind the beehive a bit, and off to the left where the tractor is passing. There was a little building that was ugly, and then in front of the beehive, in that bare spot there, also a little building that was ugly. And the first mentioned little building that was ugly is actually for hatching baby peafowl eggs. And it has been moved with the help of that man out there, Doodlebug David Burnham. He has mad tractor skills, and he's like 78 years old, and the guy just is a machine. I just love him. He's great, and he's out there harrowing the field, and I'm going to be putting in, let me zoom a bit, I'm going to be putting in a clover field all out there for the bees. All of that is going to be crimson clover, and so I'm very excited about that. And you can see most of the storm damage is cleaned up. My peacock coop is still not complete. It's just, makeshift to get the birds a home. But we're going to be making more progress between now and when I have my hip replaced. Some time between now and the end of February, looks like. Here's the handyman of the hour, great guy, Kevin Grantham. They've been up there fixing the roof. Yeah. And so I just wanted you to see how things are progressing. Yeah, hurricane broke our stride just a little bit, but I'm liking the way it's all shaken out. Can't wait to see that field out there under all those trees, swaying in bright red clover stalks about 10 inches high, and bees all over the place. And out there where the hive is, we are going to be adding, I don't know, we're going to be adding at least 3 more hives. And we may be on that little pad, 3 more hives. And then out in that area over there between the hive and the tree, another 7 or 8 hives to give us a total of 10 hives. We can make between $500 and $1,000 a year per hive in honey. So I'm excited about that. I love it when a plan comes together. Bye for now.